So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Office add-in that's been provided to you by your Office 365 administrator. And the starting point is to make sure you've signed in with the correct Office 365 profile, and that's illustrated at the top right of the screen. Just make sure you've signed in. Then you head over to the Insert menu. You move across to My Add-ins. And then you should see Admin Managed in the middle. If you select on that, it should bring up your different connectors available to you. You can hit the refresh button if it's not there, and then you select the connector you want to use, in this case the Excel connector, and then you click Add. And once you've clicked Add, that connector will then appear in the appropriate place. In this example, under the Home menu at the end there, the Excel connector provided by Larasoft, and that's how you would add it.